Hello everyone, we are going to learn different function in Excel. This is an automatic function you can use on one click. This is my data. Uh, we are going to learn sum function, average function, maximum function and mini function and count function. Okay. First, just select the cell of sum function. Go on home tab. You can see the right side of Excel editing. You can see here auto sum. Just click on the auto sum and enter. You can see the total amount of all values. Okay. Next, average, select the cell, go on same, just click on this arrow. You can see if you want average, click on average and enter. That's it. Again, for max formula, you can select the cell, then go on and select. You can click on max. Maximum value of this table is 30,000. Okay. Mini value. Just select the cell, go on function and click the mini function and enter. That's it. You can see the 2000 is a mini value from this table. Then count. Select the cell, then go on mm, count function, count numbers and enter. 11 is total 11 numbers amounts. That's it. Okay.